down, I think about you all day, mommy. Home and rescue.
Okay, y'all, so we at this place called Bebito, and I'm gonna take me some pictures here, but India's hungry, so we about to get something to eat first. I have on my dress at the bottom. It's like, it's tight, but I don't care because I feel like Britney Spears. But they got kombucha here. That's actually a vibe. What you want to get?
You can try.
Oh, they have it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna get it, so I'll come back downstairs.
What do you want?
Upstairs to take pictures.
Okay. Let me get mine.
Sorry.
No.
Okay, y'all, I'm taking my pictures. Taking Polaroids now. I just feel.
Go back.
That was cute. Up here. Yeah, it's so cute in here. It's so cute. Miami Hidden Jeans. I found them all. Like, yeah. So cute. We took some really good content. I'm so excited. Now we finna find something to eat. I want hibachi, but I don't know if she want hibachi. I don't like sushi anymore, so I don't know. It's so cute. It's actually another mirror over here. I'll put them over there. And I want to take a picture, and then I'm gonna be good. Aggressive driver, and I just don't get it. Like, why are you so aggressive?
He's the best driver ever.
You are from Miami. We should go to Akira. Didn't we come here that one time? Yes, India. Remember we came here? Yeah, you sure? Remember we was at Victoria's Secrets, and I had that cow purse on with that black shirt and them jeans. Where was we at then?
We by Cane's.
Oh, it's Cane's down here? Oh, so it is a Cane's. He wasn't lying. I thought he was lying.
On the ground between nauseous.
Yeah, I'm getting nauseous too. I think you making me nauseous. We're about to see how we get into the restaurant. This is my cousin, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all. Say hey. I said my cousin Kiara from Miami.
Bro, I'm so hungry. I feel like going to no scavenger hunt.
We should have just went to Subway.
I ate up everything I had in me. Like, I had, like, I'm done.
Y'all, the restaurant closed forever. I didn't know.
They got bankrupt and you like,
They did not probably go.
bro, yes they did. They didn't have enough money.
Oh my god. Yep. India.
My heart broke.
Kiara talk about some. She's so hungry today. If I put my stomach on her hands, my hand on her stomach is gonna deflate. Yeah, my phone about to die, and none of us have chargers. So why have my cord? Why is they playing this music? Okay. I know these about to be expensive as ever. This is what I'm working with right now, and it's $10, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be so worth it. Oh no, it's not, because it's not even the type of thing that I have. Okay, wait, hold on, y'all. I gotta figure something out. Y'all, this is the nicest CVS I've ever seen. They got a whole bunch of like, they had so many like souvenirs. Hold on, they had so many like souvenirs and all type of little cute stuff. Girl, This the dog walking and stuff for me. We are here at Cheeseburger, baby. Hi, how are you? You want to sit down? Oh no, we gotta go to that car and make sure they don't give us no ticket. We're gonna do a carry out. Is that okay? Okay. So
The classic. The classic's the smaller one.
is it like slider small?
No, it's bigger than that.
Okay,
It's
like
4 ounces.
like regular.
4 ounces.
How many ounces is this one?
6 Dr. Swiss.
Cheddar.
You know lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickle on it?
Pickle and lettuce.
That's it. $62. I just need to see your ID that matches the card. Nothing personal. I have to ask everybody. You got a lot of credit card fraud. Like, really bad. I think cheesesteak, real American, check it out for Dr. Swiss. The American is right.
Swiss.
Yeah, I get Swiss. With the grilled peppers and grilled onions?
It's real good. Did you hear me tell you that they put it in our bag? India, you are something. Y'all, ever since like India could drive, like literally when we was younger, if we would go get food, she would literally park the car and play something, watch something, and eat. How else am I supposed to eat? Girl, talk to your cousin. Like she's a joke. Y'all see her phone right there? She's a joke. People like when people come to Miami, they always be asking me like, oh, where's some places to go in Miami? Like, I don't know, people just text me randomly and be like, where should I go in Miami? And I don't never really know because I don't do tourist stuff here. Like when I be here and I be here with my family, we do regular local stuff. We don't do touristy stuff. This is the first time that I've done something touristy since I was like younger. And now I see what people come here. Like when people be like, oh, let's go to South Beach, or let's go to Miami Beach. Like this is cool. Like you can get like food that you never had before. There's all these little shops. People, I used to not get it. I used to be like, why do y'all want to go to South Beach? Like, let's do something else. But now I get it. Looking for the hoochie daddy. It's just aesthetic vibes, and I wanted to go. Her outfit is so cute, y'all. She don't want to take pictures, but it's good. It was $11. It better be. We just came from, we went to Le Labo because I wanted to smell this perfume. You want to get ice cream? We're going in the morning to Kiss. I don't want to go back to the house. I already went to Key Biscayne not too long ago, a few days ago, but I didn't vlog because I was going through a mood. Never made love to a music. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on, we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. Know she want the mom when she tattooed that ass. I'm walking. This is how it looks. It's just like a parking lot, and then you just walk. A lot of these exits be closed, so you just find whatever one you want to go to. It's a lot of people here, I feel like, today, so I'm gonna just go to a part of the beach where it's not that many people at. They got like little picnic tables, they got bathrooms and stuff like that. You could wash your body with the water, but I just try to it's hot out here today. It wasn't as hot the other day, but hot outside makes for hot water when you want to rinse your body off. Yeah, like this big ass bird right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, y'all. A dead iguana. Let me go. Come back. Hopefully, come back with a beautiful tan. And
stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, you ain't gon' see the shit. If I catch you loud it off, then it's gon' be some shit. What you can do, what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. When I'm stood up till I D.I.P. Before I go, would you tell the world my secrets and my safety goes?
I'm at the airport. Make sure these people are scary. I'm at the airport, and after I got back from design, I just took a shower, and then I went to Whole Foods and got food. I didn't really do much. I rewrote my life. Because I always feel like I'm going through a midlife crisis every 3 weeks, and I feel like I had to rebrand myself every month, so I rewrote my life. But now I'm at the airport. I'm gonna go back home. This trip was really fun. It was really relaxing. It was eye-opener. I got some Subway. I just paid $20 for Subway. The lady behind me was like, girl, I'm like, I know. Jay, hopefully I actually post this vlog. I feel like I will. My gate is right over there. I'm not sure it exists. And that's pretty much it. So I got a lot of stuff I need to take care of once I get home. I'm excited because everything is just easy, smooth. I felt like it was the end of the world, but it's not. I got these spicy grilled chicken chips. Because I love chips with pickles, but I don't know if they gonna be good.